TubeBuddies versus vidIQ. Which tool is the best for YouTube marketing? One of the most popular platform that people resorts to for a fame and income today has to be YouTube. The social media platform has grown into against in the field of online networking. It is one of the topmost online video viewing platform. No wonder top artists, professional businesses, students as well as homemakers are resorting to the platform for success. And the things that really matters in getting fame in the numbers of YouTube views and subscribers they have on their videos and channels. In this scenario, it becomes important to stand out and make a mark through good marketing. But how do we understand which tool is best for YouTube marketing? Top of the top tools people tend to use for TubeBuddy marketing are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Not just individuals and aspiring influencers, even the biggest production houses, theater groups, and artist enthusiasts use these tools for better brand building. After all, there is no better way to boost your channels and enhance income than this two best tool for YouTube marketing. But even with these two choice, people find it's difficult to ascertain which is better for marketing. If you are looking to make successful online presence, a comparative understanding of the most suitable tools for your businesses is must. After all, efficiency of the tools differs from business to businesses. Let's talk about at which tool is best for YouTube marketing, TubeBuddy or vidIQ. TubeBuddy happens to be one of the most popular plugins in use by creators on YouTube. The reason behind its handsome popularity is certainly its versatility when it's come to helping your YouTube channel grow. TubeBuddy helps in enhancing your YouTube SEO along with extensive research and data at your doorstep. Besides, with the TubeBuddy, one can take care of bulk video processing along with the various tools for increasing productivity. The first and foremost features of TubeBuddy, which has people running after it, is the successful SEO integrations. Add to that the simplicity of adding it is as Chrome extension and its presence becomes understood. There are multiple features of TubeBuddy that take care of this. We have listed two of them of your below. Tag Explorer. Anybody who has worked in the field of SEO will know how crucial keywords and tags are make your content search engine optimized. TubeBuddy helps as the ends for searching for the best tag for your videos. Using this tool, you can optimize your video content on YouTube with the best tag for better marketing. Once you open the Tag Explorer, you can see multiple options before you for sections. Keyword difficulty, competition, and search volume are a few of them. Using these options and optimizing them based on your video, you can come up with the best and most suitable tags for yourself. Using the Tags Explorer can be used to find the best tag used by your competitors for similar videos. This means you can stay updated and the latest trends, most suitable keywords, and the best SEO hacks with these simple tools of Tag Explorer. Suggested tags. The suggested tags features of TubeBuddy is an excellent tool for someone who has just started making TubeBuddy videos search engine optimization. The features provide you with an array of the best tags you can use with your videos. These tags are based on your content, your niche, as well as the kind of tags used by your competitor. It is almost like the feature saves you from working for long durations to find the best and most profitable tags for your content. Apart from the tags, you also get adjust to it a bar dissipating the difficulty of the tag. There are not one but many additional suggestions for you before you picking tags for the video. At the same time, it's help you use your Tag limit of 500 character to the maximum. Thank you so much.